In this video, I will talk about the kinds of activities, the programming assignments, the group projects, and quizzes, exams, and how you will be graded. So it is going to be a relatively long video. First, there are 15 meetings and we have a spring break. So I have noted that in the syllabus. So there is no class during spring break, but 8 meetings before spring break, 7 meetings after spring break. Your attendance is required in class, and I will not be lecturing much in class at all. Instead, I will be posting videos on course material ahead of time, and you will need to watch all the videos that I post, read the book and any other reading material that I provide before coming to class. I may go over the highlights of the topics, but I will not be spending a great deal of time going through the details of the subject in class. And typically, it varies from class to class, but typically I will be spending about 30 minutes in class highlighting the most important topics. After that, we will be solving problems on the topics in small groups. So the first few weeks, you will be put into groups randomly. I will let Zoom decide what the groups should be. And after that, the groups will be based on the groups that you form to do what are called group projects. So the first part here, lectures, we will not be having any real subject coverage in the meetings every week. Instead, you have to watch all the videos and read the book or any other material. And the stuff that you do in class are called class exercises, the problems, and they will be graded. Some automatically through D2L, and the other one I will be grading myself. If you don't come to class, you don't get credit for the class exercises. Then there are 3 programming assignments, and their due dates will be noted on the assignment handout, and the schedule also shows when they are due. These have to be done individually without any cooperation between students. Before coming to class, you are required to take a quiz. That is, the class is on Tuesdays, and you should complete the quiz by 11:59 p.m. on Mondays. And the quizzes will be based on the material that we cover that week. So you should have watched all the videos, read the textbook and any other reading assignments for that week before taking the quiz. And there are 3 exams. They are on February 9th, March 23rd, and April 27th. Exams will generally be in 2 parts. One will be multiple choice questions or true false questions, that kind of stuff. And the other one will be to write complete programs or complete a partially written program or do some design. There will be 2 group projects. You can find your own groups, or if you are unable to find a group, I will form groups for you. So it depends. we will see how to form the groups after a few weeks, okay? And then the grading will be based on all these things, class exercises, the quizzes that you take before coming to class, the exams, individual assignments, and group projects. So they are given here. There are 3 individual assignments, each worth 50 points for a total of 150 points. 2 group projects, 100 points each for a total of 200 points. There are class exercises in all weeks except when we have an exam. We have exams in week 5, 10, and 15. So there is no class exercise in those 3 weeks. So there are 12 class exercises for a total of 240 points. Remember, if you don't come to class, you don't get credit for class exercise. Then there are quizzes before coming to class in weeks 2, 3, 4, 6, 7, 8, 9, and 11, 12, 13, 14. And there are 11 of those, 10 points each for a total of 110. There are 3 exams for a total of 300. So the total points is 1000, but you need to score at least this much in every category. So if you don't get the minimum here, then your grade may not be more than a C minus. So look at these 2 criteria here, A and B. They need to be satisfied. And assuming that you satisfy those criteria, your course grade will be based on this table.